Hey, what up guys, PNW Hookset here. Another day in Oregon, another day of exploring. Well, today I came out here to the coast. I'm doing a hike known as God's Thumb. Coming out here seeing if I can find a place for this little birdhouse and provide a home for a little fella. But yeah, heading out here. Trying to get to the top or as close as I can, and after that just find a place for this little birdhouse. Alright guys, let's see where this takes us. Hey, what up guys, PNW Hookset here. Another day in Oregon, another day of exploring. Well, today I came out here, second hike of the week. Not week, but weekend. I came out here with a few of my buddies and we kind of came out to do a last hike with one of our friends. It's actually going to be a dad, so this is going to be his final hike before he actually goes through all of that. So congratulations to Santana, and let's see where this hike takes us, guys. Alright guys, well, my buddies and I headed down. We saw 2 more waterfalls, and after that we just decided to go back up. But I'm just trying to catch up to them. I kind of got left behind a little bit just because I was getting off my jacket, but I'll be there and kind of catching up to them in a bit. Anywho, we came out here just to kind of celebrate one of our friends' final hike before he becomes a dad. So congratulations to him, and I know that eventually we'll be heading out to more hikes with another adventure buddy. So heading back to the parking lot, see where this goes, guys. All right. So just to let you guys know, eventually I am gonna have a tutorial video, or not necessarily a tutorial video, more like a lesson about dispersed camping, specifically in Oregon. I might go a little bit further into Washington, but mainly Oregon, to kind of help some people know the basic rules of dispersed camping. So stay tuned for that. And besides that, guys, subscribe, like, let me know what you like to see, and I'll go out there and try to make it for y'all. So alright guys, let's see where this takes us. Alright guys, well, on the way back down to the car, I decided to take a quick detour. And why? Well, hey, get a view of this, guys. So I'm gonna hike over there and just kind of take a look, see how it looks from here. Starts to get pretty muddy over here, but hear that roar. Alright guys, well PNW here, just saying hey, thanks for subscribing, liking, and commenting. I'll see you on the next videos, and we'll see where this goes. That's the guy right there. That's the guy. That's the guy. Congrats to the boys in Santa.